Fronts are super hard. Why? Well, if you think about it, they are completely and utterly unnatural. There are so many tiny pieces to it. The dog could be too close, too far. The dog's spine can be straight, but they can be a little off to the left or a little to the right. So here I'm going to start teaching fronts. I'm going to put the dog, I'm using the sticks as guides. I keep them pretty narrow and close together. He's sitting. I just back up a couple steps so that he just comes straight forward. The sticks help him be correct. Teeny tiny little fronts where I'm just moving a teeny tiny little bit, and I want the dog to fix themselves, right? This teaches the dog to really fine-tune and recognize exactly where they should be. So I just go just a little bit lateral. Dogs also have to deal with distractions. I divide them into categories: motion, sound, smell. Many dogs struggle more with one than the other.